φουσκώνετε το σωσίδιό σας μέσα στο αεροσκάφος. Όταν βρεθείτε έξω από το αεροσκάφος, φουσκώστε το σωσίδιο τραβώντας το σκηνή. Σε περίπτωση που το σωσίδιο δεν φουσκώσει ή χρειάζεται περισσότερο αέρα, φυσήξτε στο σωληνάκι. Το σωσίδιο διαθέτει επίσης φωτάκι και σφυρίγμα για να τραβήξετε την προσοχή του για σωστό. Διατίθεται επίσης φουσκωτά βοηθήματα για παιδιά. Το ατομικό σας τραπεζάκι πρέπει τώρα να είναι κλειστό. Η βραχίονες του καθίσματός σας κατεβασμένη, τα σκίαστρα των παραθύρων ανοιχτά και η ζώνη ασφαλείας σας δεμένη. Σας ευχόμαστε μια ευχάριστη πτήση με την EasyJet.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this EasyJet flight to Larnaca with a flight time of 4 hours and 20 minutes. We'd like to extend a special welcome to our EasyJet Plus card holders. Anyone who's interested in becoming a Plus card holder, then please do not hesitate to ask anyone of the crew. My name's Mark, I'm the cabin manager on today's flight. Joining me in the cabin today are Lotta, Sam and Charlie. We're here for your safety as well as your comfort, so if there's anything you need, then please just ask. We're about to take you through the safety features of this Airbus A320, and your full attention would be appreciated. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now ask for your attention while we take you through the safety procedures on this aircraft. A safety card is in your seat pocket showing the exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets and brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 2 emergency exits at the rear, 4 in the middle, and 2 at the front of the cabin. Floor lighting will guide you to an exit. Please be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all cabin baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth. Hold in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take the life jacket from under your seat. Put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist. Click together and pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into the tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. We also carry flotation aids for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrest down, window blinds open and seatbelt fastened. We wish you a pleasant flight with EasyJet.
This train run out. Train bloody. Could be bad. Could be last one. Slow sex. Slow sex. Slow sex. You're awake.
Ja. Kom je uit en kom je uit en
Making me feel a bit like
close to first class as I get, sit in front. Premium economy.
Well, I've been verging up a class, which I don't rate as much as I think British Airways is better, but they say Emirates is the best.
Yeah. One day, maybe.
Yeah, it depends what you know. I mean, say if you want to do that flight to I don't know if I told you, I'm thinking of I'm going to go back to the Maldives, but apparently they've launched a new refurbished an island hotel. It's an Italian hotel. And he said it's half the money of the other hotels. It's brand new resort. Oh, I might ask him what it's called. Because it's I don't know how to do that.
It's beautiful, isn't it? That's why that's cool. That's the back over there.
She'd never be able to sing that otherwise, would she?
So many hotel we're going to stay.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelts fastened whilst the seatbelt sign is on, and we recommend you keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. Toilets located at each end of the cabin. There's two at the rear and one at the front of the cabin, and smoking is not permitted at any time, and this does include the use of e-cigarettes as well. Shortly, the cabin crew will be starting their in-flight bistro service, offering you the chance to purchase a range of drinks and snacks from the bar. If you have a look at the seat pocket in front of you, you can see our bistro menu. We do have all the options available for you today. There is a meal deal in there where you can combine a sandwich, a drink and a snack, and it saves you money at the same time, so it's worth having a look at. We accept most major currencies, pounds, euros, debit or credit card. If you do have the correct change, it would be greatly appreciated as it is the crew's first flight of the day.